In this video, I will show you how to create an event in Google Calendar so you can easily schedule meetings, reminders, and important plans. To get started, what you want to do is come across to your Google Calendar. So in the address bar, just type calendar.google.com. And then what you want to do is sign in with the Google account that you want to create an event for. Once you've done that, come over to the left-hand side. You're going to see your calendar here and select the date that you want to create an event for. For example, if I wanted to create an event on the 1st of May, you can see I've got that here. What I would do is, of course, select that from the calendar on the left-hand side. Now, once that's done, as you can see, we've got the 1st of May up. You now want to select the time slot that you want to create an event for. So, for example, let's say at 3 o'clock PM. And then what you want to do is click onto the calendar itself, which is going to bring up a window like this. At the top, you can see we've got some options. We have event, task, and appointment schedule. But what you want to do is, of course, select the event option. And then what you can do is add a title for your event. So in this example, I'm just going to call this one Team Meeting. What you can then do is add guests to this event as well. So if you give that a click, you can type the email of anyone that you want to invite to this meeting. For example, let's invite one of my other emails, and you can also choose the guest permissions as well. There are some further customization things you can do. So you can add a description, Google Drive attachment, and if you click onto more options, you can see some further options for different things you can do. So you can add a description, you can add notifications to send a notification 30 minutes before the event, and things like that. Once you're happy with everything, come up to the top and click the blue save button. And if you have chosen to invite guests to your event, it's going to ask if you would like to send invitation emails. So I'm going to click send. And as you can see, the event has now been saved at the bottom, and that's now been created. So that is how to create an event in Google Calendar. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.